Does your hair look anything like mine? I hope your answer for that is no, because yeah, but today I'm going to be showing you my curly hair routine to get from this to this. See my curls. Do you see this perfect curl? Also guys, my hair does not normally look like this, I swear. It's just because it's been brushed. I have not washed it in a couple days. And I just did a slick back today, so but this is not a tutorial, this is just a hair routine, what I do to get my hair back to its natural habitat. But if you're the girl, please, there's the door. Because I don't care if I'm 3A, 3B, 3 whatever. Well, step one, obviously, you can't hear by this, is to take a shower. So no peeking, and I'm gonna get back to you once I'm done, okay? This ain't this type of YouTube channel, got it? I just realized that this, like, not static noise, but the noise of the air conditioner, this might sound really annoying, so whoopsie. I am done with my shower. I don't know why I look dead. Why are my eye bags so bad? And I'm just gonna show like the products that I use on screen right now. Obviously, the products I use in the shower change like every couple of weeks because I don't know why actually, but yes. But I feel like it doesn't matter like how, for me at least, it doesn't matter what products I use in the shower, it's what products I use out of the shower that make my hair the way it looks. The way I do my hair changes depending on how lazy I am or how much time I have to do my hair. But since today I'm filming a video and it's literally like 10 p.m., we got all the time in the world. My hair dries so quickly, it's so annoying. Because then I have to re-soak it. So this is my hair without any products in it. The very first thing I do is that I part it in the middle, or side part, whatever way I want. Today I'm going to put a middle part. I like to be in your mind. That is not a middle part. What the fuck? Why is my middle part not middle parting? Okay, we're gonna leave it at that for now. I don't even think it's even, especially along the back, but we're just gonna put that with my nail. I feel like this side is more thicker than this side, but the next part, I'm going to brush it and re-soak it. Which, to be honest, I never re-soak it, but for the sake of people telling me that I shouldn't put products on dry hair, we're gonna soak it. Guys. Ew! I'm balding. Hey girl, we're gonna talk to you. Okay, I gotta stop singing that. Justin Bieber stuck in my head. Now let's soak each part with this spray bottle. And then push it on. With this spray bottle, it's just literally full of water. I usually put a bit of leave-in conditioner in it. I don't have any in at the moment. You know what sucks about filming a YouTube video? Is I can't play music. Because copyright, and I usually have music blowing. Now that my hair is completely soaked and brushed, we are going to add in the products and start defining my curls. Again, my products vary every single month or week. Today, we are using Cantu Coconut Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream. this is what it looks like for anyone who wants to get it. So I'm just gonna open that up, take a little bit. I don't even know if this is enough. I usually lather it that up. I always apply it to my ends first. And I kind of like rake it through my hair a little bit. When I need some more for the top. And then one tiny bit for the inside. My front two like pieces, like money pieces, even though they're not, I like add extra because they're very dry. So they fizz up more. Now we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. Bottom, whoa, that was a lot. Bottom, top, and raking it through with my hands like that. Honestly, like any curling cream, if you have a curling cream, just use a curling cream. And then I do this just to help define the curls or bring out the curls. Do you hear this? Yeah, you want it to sound like that. The problem with my hands being sticky. Next step, while your hair is wet, dang it, my scissors took the product, is I'm going to use a hair, wait, what is this called? The next step is I'm going to use defining gel. This is my big tube, but I also use, I'll show the product too. I also use this bottle, which my sister took, but this bottle smells nice. It's so good, but it is not in here apparently. That's the problem with having multiple siblings who have curly hair. The product gets used up very quickly. Yes. Anyways, we're just gonna use a tiny bit. I don't really like gel that much. I'm just gonna rake it through. It's very sticky. That's why I don't like the gel, because it's so sticky. I'm gonna use a tiny bit. I'm gonna rake it through. Am I freaking balding? And again, because my ends are very dry, I'm gonna add extra product. I'm kind of just like doing this, putting them all together, and then raking it through to separate it. Do you hear that? And I'm just gonna do the same to the other side. Grab a tiny bit, put it through the ends of my hair, then rake it. So this is what it looks like. It looks very wet. I'm just gonna bring it, but it's trying to lift your hair whenever you're raking it. Wait, no, scrunching it. You're gonna bring it up and then do this. Now you can leave it here and let it air dry or diffuse it. But what I like to do to make sure that I really define some of the pieces is that we're going to ignore how much hair is in this brush. I'm not cleaning it out. Oh, but maybe I will. No, I can't. I can't be bothered. I have this brush. You can get it on Amazon. I think it's called like a defining brush or a volume curl brush. I don't really know. I'm just going to get like a piece. And I'm just going to and do that. You can see it creates more curl. And then sometimes if my hair isn't wet enough, I'll add gel to it and then do this. Now if I'm feeling really, like I really want to do my hair, I will section it into like 3 or 4 parts and then do literally section by section with this brush. It usually takes me like 30 minutes. You can see that's like already getting curlier, you know? Do you see that? I like to do this to the top of my head because that is like the most flat. You can see that it's like creating a little bit of volume. I look insane right now. Okay, this is what my hair looks like after brushing it out and defining some pieces. And I just continuously scrunch it throughout each step and each product that I added. And you can see like it's starting to create volume and like define it. Now, if I want to add even more defining curls, get some pieces that are frizzy, and I'll just, if it's like dry, I'll add more product into it, but my hair is pretty wet right now. And I just go like this, get the very bottom of it, my dead dry ends, and I just wrap it around my finger. Then I go like this, and I just twist it up until I reach the very top of my hair. And then I pull the finger out and I kind of just do this. And that creates like some better curls. So it's less frizzy. You know, there's like days where I do this, some days where I just do only the brush, some days where I only like finger coil my hair. Then I do like a mix of both, like what I'm doing right now. That's why, like, if you see my hair, my curls, they look different every other day. Bring it to the top and then twist it out. That one didn't turn out good, but it's fine. I remember I used to make my sister the night before school because she was really good at finger coiling, and I used to make a finger coil every hair strand in my hair the night before school, so then I'd wake up with nicely curled hair. And that's why it's nice having a younger sibling. You can see by doing this, the curls are more like tighter when I finger coil, so my hair is shorter. When my hair dries after I finger coil, it shrinks a lot. Like literally, my sister asked if I had cut my own hair a while ago, and I was like, no, and she did not believe me because it was so short because of shrinkage. I used to think that I didn't have shrinkage because my hair was so long, but you just like, it's even longer than you actually think. This is finger coiled, and then this is with the brush. Look at that. Come rid of this. Yeah. Last one. We're just gonna twist it round and roll it up onto the really small. Oh, that one kind of messed up. And then we're gonna roll it out. Oh, that one was very tight. These are all my curls. Now, once you're done with either brushing or rolling, finger coiling your curls, you're just going to scrunch it up again on both sides. And then what I like to do is I like to flip it forward. And then once you scrunched it all out, we are going to, you can either diffuse your hair, but I don't have a diffuser, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a bonnet and sleep with it. But what I like to do is to create more volume, I like to just go, do this, and then let that dry, and let my hair air dry, and then tomorrow we will reveal it. That was so hard for me to say for no words. This is what it looks like the night before. But I will see you guys in the morning to see the final result of my dried curls, because these take a while to dry. Yeah. That's why I need a diffuser. But yeah. Hello everybody, it is the next morning and this is what my hair is looking like. I had the claw clip in all night, so that's why this part is very, which usually it's like, sometimes it looks good, sometimes it doesn't. But today it looks quite good. And usually if I put too much gel in it, my hair becomes crunchy. But it is not crunchy. But if it were, I would add hair oil in through my hair. But I'm not going to do that today since it did not come out crunchy at all. So yeah. This is what it's looking like. You can see my curls. Trying to think, is there anything else I would have done? No, I don't think so. Is this a bit too much? But this is how my hair turned out. Usually when I wear my bun, it's like, will it look good or will it not? But it came out pretty good, like, yes. Look at this curl. Look at this. Do you see this perfect curl? Yeah, this is how my hair turned out. Oh my god, guys, I cannot speak. It is like 10 in the morning. And this is the end of my hair routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Why do I sound like a 12-year-old boy? This is why I don't wake up early. Wait. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys want me to post like different hairstyles I do, or like a video based on like how to do these curly hairstyles, comment down below. And I will see you guys next week. Bye bye.